guys, welcome back to my channel, Kozy Korner, and I am coming to you today with my first unpackaging. So I ordered a product from a black owned company called Black Luxury Hair Solutions, and my package has arrived. So this is how the package come. I ordered their product called Hair Trifecta. I paid about $69 plus shipping in hand. I think everything came up to about $76. But shipping was really quick. Came about in between 5 to 7 business days. I was able to pick it up in the post office, and it has this handle with care. It's fragile, so let's open it and see what it has inside. This is my first unboxing, so you guys gotta bear with me. So this is my first unpackaging, so I wanted to share this with you guys. Usually I just open up my stuff when I get it here because I'd be so excited, but I waited. I actually got this like 2 days ago, and I was like, nope, I want to open this up with my kinks, my naturalistas, my peoples. My friends was telling me about this product because they know I suffer from Traction Alopecia, and they know that I'm trying to support black-owned businesses. So they was inboxing me. They found them on Instagram, and they forwarded it to me. And after like looking at their stuff and their reviews, and I was like, all right, I'm a order it. So this is the company. This is what comes in the package. A little thank you from the company. It's all wrinkled, but that's fine. I didn't iron it. Y'all saw me unpackage it. But this is beautiful, and this is the products that I purchased. So in this set, it has the Mega Gro Hair Serum, the Black Castor Oil Scalp Detox Bar, and the Growth Balm. So if you look at the picture, this is the Detox Bar, this is the Growth Balm, and this is the Growth Hair Serum. So let's take it out the package and let's see, the sides and everything. They do have the instructions on here on how to use each product, so that is very good for me, because sometimes I just do whatever I want to do, but because I'm trying to create a healthy hair regimen, having some type of consistency and some order is key for me and my hair growth journey. And I love the fact that they have the directions on there, so you can just like pin it up on your wall or something like that in the bathroom, so when you do have your wash day, you know how to use these products. But if you don't want to do all of that, like me, I'm more extra. I hang it up and stuff because I think this is cute. I like that it tells you also how many times to use each other products. Like it says, for one, the Mega Gro Hair Serum, the directions: apply roughly 10 to 12 drops depending on the length and density of hair to palm of hand, and distribute evenly throughout the hair. Use a comb for better distribution. Apply 3 to 4 times per week. Do not rinse. Expect noticeable results within 4 to 6 weeks. So let's just get into the package. So yeah, it has this little cute little, we're gonna empty that out. I'll clean that up later. Let's get that out of there, right? But I like that they have that in there. All right, so this is, I got it packed tight. Ooh, the Growth Balm. Let's see if it focuses. And this is the Growth Balm with Jamaica Black Castor Oil. Let's see. It looks like a little shea butter, but it smells like that Blue Magic grease a little bit, but it's not. It kind of melts into like an oil. I kind of like it. Let's see how it works in my hair when I use it. So this has beeswax, sunflower oil, soybean oil, coconut oil, olive oil, fruit oils, black castor seed oil, vitamin E, mango fragrance, shea butter. Yeah, this look like a little shea butter consistency, but it don't smell like no mango. I don't know, but they said it have mango fragrance, and it don't smell like mango. I don't know. It smells like that Blue Magic grease for you. Let's go to. This is the Mega Gro Hair Serum. I'm so excited to use this because I've seen the results on their website, and they brought bald spots back to life. And I don't have bald spots yet, but you know, with my hair thinning, you don't know how long ago, so I'm trying to reverse that. It smells like I don't know if it's the bottle or I mean I don't like heavy fragrance stuff, so I guess this will work, but it smells like raw Jamaican black castor oil with no fragrance. Like, oh, I put it on my nose. It's thick too, which I like. So this has tea tree oil, biotin, garlic oil, Jamaican black castor oil, peppermint supreme essential oil, and jojoba oil. All right, at least I can read everything that's on the product. It just smells like the garlic and tea tree oil is clashing, but that's fine. It kind of neutralizes the smell a little bit, so it's not so strong, but it doesn't have a smell. It has like I don't know how to describe it. But you know what? That's fine. If it works, I'm all for it. I'm all for supporting black-owned businesses. I'll tell you a little bit about the owners. So this is cute. I don't know what this is for. This might be... Oh, a shower cap. Okay, so this might be a shower cap. They send you a shower cap for like conditioning. It's too cute. I don't want to open it. But okay, yeah. So I was right. It's a shower cap. It comes with a shower cap so that you can condition your hair. Cute little sachet bag that the soap pack came in, and this is the Scalp Detox Bar. Can you see that? So this I'm excited about because I use bentonite clay to detox my hair, and it comes out the bomb. But I always wanted to try a bar, shampoo, or soap in my hair. And the fact that this actually cleans my scalp to remove away all the product buildup. This might, I actually like this. It smells like peppermint. I can't wait to use this stuff, guys. I want to just wash my hair today just to use. I want to wash my hair, oil my hair, and grease my scalp today because I'm so excited. So yeah, I wanted to support a black-owned. I've seen the results for the members who actually purchased this, who suffer from alopecia from consistent use. They really had some good results. So I was like, why not support my black-owned and try it out? So the products are supposed to be like 100% vegan, and it all consists of extracted essential oils. So actually this company is fairly new. It was founded in 2018 by Jamaican native Cherise Mogent and her sister Tanya Lee Williams. So black luxury hair solutions has come a long way. So it's 2020. They started in 2018. A lot of people, might not have heard from them, but their Instagram page has over 90K followers. So I will put their link in the description box so that you can go follow them. If you suffer from any hair problems, you might want to try it out. This is my first time, so I'm going to keep y'all on my hair journey with me as I use these different products, but I'm aiming for black owned because I want to support my own as well as support others. Everybody matters, but at this time, we got to invest in ourselves. Yes, I'm all for it. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to keep you guys on my journey so we can see how this works for my hair, for my problem. And hopefully somebody will be inspired to purchase. And we got to keep each other up. We got to keep each other standing. So, yeah. I'm excited, guys. So I hope that you continue to be with me on my hair journey and regrowing my hair and loving myself, regrouping and just getting back to one, because this quarantine sometimes can have you home in a bonnet, drinking your same cup of coffee every single day and a misery funk, and I am trying not to do that. And on top of me losing my hair, I can't let nothing else get me down. So I'm gonna put all of the information in the description box. And if you like this butterfly braid that I attempted in my hair, just follow my other video that I will actually put in the description box showing you how I got this look. Oh guys, thank you so much for joining me for my first unpackaging. I plan on doing many more videos like this, and if you do want to see what I'm purchasing from Black-owned businesses, or any businesses at that, that will benefit my life or maybe yours, and you want to see me unpackage on YouTube, put your like or comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you want to see, guys. I'm trying to keep you entertained, I'm trying to be true to myself, and I don't mind sharing because I love shopping. I love a discount and I love a DIY. So if these are things that you would like to see me do, just stay tuned.